One of the most annoying things ever is having to deal with those fruit flies, isn't it? Attracted by the sweetness of fruits, fructose, they fly around the fruit bowl in the kitchen. Since we don't want you to tire your hands waving these insects away, we have listed some tips on how to avoid these flies and also a recipe for you to get rid of them. Avoid storing ripe fruits. To avoid these bothersome flies, don't let your fruits ripen too much in the kitchen. It is best to eat them as soon as possible. Throw food scraps in the trash. Another way of avoiding these flies in your kitchen and home is to throw away the food scraps. Always throw away any crumbs, grains, peels, and seeds. If you want to stop the flies from visiting you, never leave any food scattered on your sink or around your house. Use aromatic plants to chase the insects away. Did you know that some aromatic plants work as natural repellents? We talked about it in a recent video. Click here if you want to learn more. Many people use lavender, basil, rosemary, citronella, and bay seedlings to repel fruit flies. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. Learn now how to make a homemade recipe to shoo away fruit flies. Write down the ingredients. Half a glass of apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons dish soap. Add the sugar and the dish soap to the vinegar and mix until foam starts to form. Put the mixture close to where the fruit flies usually appear and leave the mixture there until they are attracted to it. This recipe is really good and will surely help you get rid of all the fruit flies around your home. Repeat it whenever necessary, and don't forget to keep up your usual cleaning routine. Take out the trash, don't let dirty dishes build up in the sink. Keep your fruits covered and use a cloth with some vinegar to clean your kitchen daily.